everyone, welcome to Hot Chef Recipe. Today we're gonna make stir-fry chicken with teriyaki sauce. Simple ingredients and delicious. Let's get started. Oh, I'm sorry. I would say fried chicken with teriyaki sauce. Okay, dice 400 grams of chicken tender and place into a bowl. I got another bowl to mixing sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, a little sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, then mix well. One more thing, I like to add chili fat. Then put the sauce into the bowl with chicken. Marinate for 1 hour. During marinating, I'm going to toast sesame for sprinkle on top of the chicken for more flavor and lovely decoration. Toast them until a little golden brown, then set aside. Now the chicken ready to go. I'm going to place them onto a cutting board. Then sprinkle cornstarch on the chicken. Then turn them over and sprinkle the other side. Next, heat a pan and add a little cooking oil. When the oil is hot, put the chicken in the pan. While frying the chicken, we're going back to do the liquid left over from marinating. I'm gonna add some grated garlic and ginger for more flavor and fragrance. Then get back to fry chicken again. Now it's time to turn them over. Bow the other side. They look beautiful. Now both sides of the chicken are brown. I'm going to remove some of cooking oil. I don't want a lot of oil. Okay, there we go. After remove oil, I'm gonna add the rest of liquid in and continue cooking for a couple minutes. Then turn the heat off. Next, I'm going to boil the vegetable. I got some broccoli and carrots, my favorite green vegetable. Boil for a couple minutes, then take them out. Now everything ready. Place the chicken and vegetable on top of the jasmine rice. Sprinkle with sesame and some green onions. That's it. Yes, it tastes very good. A little spicy. I hope you enjoy. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!